Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a break from the usual bar and pie charts and diving into the world of 3D cylinder charts in Excel. These dynamic visuals can add a touch of sophistication and dimension to your data presentations, making them stand out from the crowd. Whether you're presenting complex sales figures, budget breakdowns, or project progress, cylinder charts offer a clear and engaging way to communicate your message. Let's get started. Open new worksheet. Select these three lines. Right click, row height 40. OK. Now here type user UK CN. Select this, then bold, center. For user, for example, 70%. UK 40. For China 60%. Another cells type equal 1 minus C4, enter. The same equal 1 minus C5, enter, equal 1 minus C6, then enter. Now select all, then go to insert, then select a chart from here, this one for example, then click here and disable this, chart title and X, right click the chart, then go to format data series, and here select cylinder. From here select graph width, now select each one to change the color, right click, fill, for example any color, this one, the same, right click, choose, right click, then fill, yellow, right click, then green. Now click here, then go to fill, border, select this one, then for transparency $39 or $40. Now go to developer tab. If you don't see developer tab here, right click anywhere, then go to customize the ribbon, then from here check developer tab, then okay. So developer, go to insert this spin from here, right click on the spin, then format control. From minimum value type 1, maximum type 100, then C link it to C4, then okay. As you can see, to solve this problem, right click on the spin button, then click here to change from C to E4, then okay. Right, now click here, then equal E4 100, enter. As you can see now, the problem is solved. The seam copy, Ctrl V, Ctrl V again 3 times, right click, format control, from E5 to link it to E5, then okay. Right, the same for the third one, format control, link it to A6, then okay. Right, so here equal this 100, enter. Equal 100, enter. Now place the spin button to hide the cell. Okay, now click on view, then grid line to hide grid line, click on the chart, then go format, new outline, now go to insert text, insert text here, then click here, equal, enter. Go to format, new outline, no fill. Go home, and now drag it to right, copy, Ctrl V, Ctrl V again, click on the shape here, then change this to for UK, then enter. The same for China, enter. Bold 16, bold 16, bold 16. All right, as you can see, go to insert again, text, and here type USA, bolts, go to shape format, new outline, no fill. Right click, copy, Ctrl V, Ctrl V again, so here type CN for China, here UK. And you have it. You've unlocked the power of impressive and informative cylinder charts in Excel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks to elevate your data mastery. See you in the next video.